Right, so in this video, I'll be showing you how to set up the Rayban Meta AI glasses for the first time. This is for the beginners who've never used these glasses before. It's literally the first time. Now, as soon as you take them out of the box and then open up and then take them out of their case and put them back, there's going to be a little piece of paper here, which you can also pull out so that they actually connect to the case. You will see the blue light blinking like this. That means the Ray-Bans are in pairing mode. So what you need to do is first of all go to your phone, whether it's your iPhone or Android, go to the App Store of your phone, and then you're looking for the Meta AI app. So let's go and find the Meta AI application, that app right there. So go ahead and find this Meta AI for Vibes and AI glasses. Go ahead and have that app installed. With the app installed, go ahead and launch it, and then you can choose to set up a device or get started with Meta AI. Now, I'm going to choose set up a device if it's your first time. If you've already used this before, then you probably are already signed in. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and sign in real quick. It's going to actually pick the Facebook credentials from my Facebook account, which I've already signed into on this phone. So you basically need to sign in with your Facebook account in case it doesn't prompt you to do that automatically. So I'm just gonna do a quick sign in. And then I'll tap on next for notifications. It says Meta AI would like to send you notifications. Now this is personal preference. You can just choose don't allow or allow. I'm going to choose allow just because I want to know exactly what's going on. Allow Meta AI to find Bluetooth devices. This is important. You need to allow that so that it's able to detect this. Now you can see these are already detected. Now, in case they're not detected and this light is not blinking, it's because they're not in pairing mode. So you want to press and hold this button at the back here until you see this light here blinking blue. So just tap on connect, and then it's gonna initiate the pairing process. It says Bluetooth pairing request. Just tap on pair, just give it some time. So the light has stopped blinking, so something is happening. There you go. So they're now paired and almost ready to go. So it's currently scanning for Wi-Fi networks. So these Ray-Bans need to connect to Wi-Fi as well. So I'm gonna just connect them to my phone's Wi-Fi. Basically the same Wi-Fi I'm connected to on my iPhone. With that out of the way, just go ahead and click on next. And then it says go hands-free with voice controls. So let's go ahead and set all this stuff up. So it says turn on voice controls. Of course, you can turn this off later in the settings. I'm just gonna enable that for now. And then it's a store voice recordings. Okay, I'm gonna allow that just for now. Share additional data to improve Meta products. Just gonna select everything. Keep in mind that this is all stuff we can change later, and I'll be making tutorials on how to do those things. So get ready to capture. Yeah, there you go. But before you do anything, it's prompting us to update the firmware. So I'm just gonna quickly do that. Turn on local network. So allow Meta AI to find devices on local network. I'm just gonna hit that on allow. And now it's gonna download the updates and send them to the glasses. So the download is complete. Let's tap on update. So now as it's updating, it's going to create a Meta AI Wi-Fi network, which you need to join with your phone so that it's able to transfer the update files from your phone to the glasses. So when it tells you to join that network it's created, make sure you join so that the update process can complete. So once that is done, you can close that, and then you can simply click on the glasses icon there to open up the home page. And here, this is where you can access your settings for the glasses. And that's it. That's basically how to pair and set them up. Now, I'll be making subsequent videos on how to use these glasses, how to ask Meta some questions, how to record videos, and all that. So make sure you stay subscribed not to miss any of that. Thanks for watching, and good luck.